Morning, patrol members.
Good morning.
It's staying in here, 76 degrees.
In here?
Yeah.
We're just checking the temperature. We're just garnering an average.
A few hours later.
I'm fine in the warm California sun. Well, we're heading home. That's what heading home looks like.
Not only the food is outstanding, but this fine group right here came from Rhode Island. As we mentioned before here on 60s Golden Coast.
A few moments later.
Well, the old road is getting kind of tired. So we're on a secondary road, so we'll see how long we can do this. Wow, wow.
Oh no.
Yeah, nobody's allowed to improve the road because the road belongs to the Bureau of Land Management. So you can't do any grading, you can't do any improvement. You know, you just gotta take it as it comes. That's not too bad. It's gradual. But of course, the road doesn't heal itself. It doesn't get better every year, so. And the railroad's not going to maintain it. As a matter of fact, there's a sign in each end that says it's not maintained. Travel at your own risk. So, anyway, more later. Really. So we just passed through an area that's incredibly rocky. And it's going to be rocky for a while, but not as bad as we had seen before. I was going to say we're theoretically past the worst part of the road, but maybe not. Oh, this isn't too bad. Entering the virtual ghost town of Chambliss. That old store used to be owned by the Metzgers, who I knew personally. And people still live here, apparently. Cadiz Farms is up there somewhere. Kind of trippy.
In the diner tonight is a special for $9.99. You can also.
Well, this is totally new.
Hot dish, which is basically.
I guess they're replacing a bridge.
With some tater tots on it.
Kathy's Clown. Hopefully that's open.
Well, we'll just go back down to the dirt. Use the highways when we can, right?
There's the old bridge timbers. Probably. Well, I don't know how old this Volkswagen bus is in front of us, but it's fucking old. Pardon my French. I don't know how old this Volkswagen bus in front of me is, but it's old.
Yeah, it's got the really old little lights.
I wouldn't be surprised if that big round light is the only stoplight.
That could be.
Hey, if one of you patrol members knows how old that bus is, let me know. Okay, folks, we're in the home stretch. We're heading back to the ranch. Nice and smoggy and hazy here in California. It's approximately 65 degrees Fahrenheit. And we stopped to eat lunch at Lenwood at the Del Taco. One of the original Del Tacos, and the food is substantially better than the regular Del Taco. But there's only two, one on First Street in Barstow and one at Lenwood off-ramp on the east side of the street. So if you want to get a bun taco or a Barstow taco, you gotta go there. Later, Mater. She got it back. Check that old timer out. Here we go. That is a 1955 Ford.
My grandfather's had a 1954.
I had a 54.
His was a kind of a deep red kind of metallic. You can go inside the building and walk through motorcycles and not be like similarly molested.
And now for something completely different.
This man just showered with a new kind of soap. New Lifebuoy Mint Refresher. A soap so loaded with mint, so tangy, so frosty, it drives wives wicked. Every bar of new Lifebuoy Mint Refresher contains the essence of 125 mint leaves. Soap has never smelled this good before, and neither have you. New Lifebuoy Mint Refresher drives wives wicked.